In today's video, I show you an easy DIY routine you can do at home to achieve soft, radiant, and healthy looking skin using simple, affordable ingredients. Aloe vera soothing gel. Optional, papaya soothing gel. Aloe vera soothing gel, 1 tablespoon. Add glycerin oil, 1 teaspoon. Add Vaseline, 1 teaspoon. Add fresh tomato paste. One soap, gluing glass skin at home. Try this powerful DIY cream made with aloe vera, glycerin, Vaseline, and tomato paste. Help deeply hydrate, brighten, and nourish your skin. Aloe vera, smooth and refresh, while glycerin lock in moisture for long-lasting hydration. Vaseline create a protect barrier to prevent dryness, and tomato help brighten the skin and reduce uneven tone. With regular use, this cream help remove dull skin, reduce the appearance of pigmentation, and give you a smoother, radiant, and glow skin. Try this in easy DIY to achieve a glass skin and natural look.